Hey everyone! Welcome back to Elegancepreneur channel. Today we're diving into an exciting topic, how to start a profitable taxi business with just one car. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time business, this step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to get started, even if you're on a tight budget. Let's get rolling. First things first, you only need one car to start your taxi business. It doesn't have to be brand new or fancy, but it should be reliable, fuel efficient, and in good condition. If you already own a car, you're halfway there. If not, consider buying a used car that fits your budget. Remember, this is your foundation, so choose wisely. Step 2. Research your local market. Before you hit the road, you need to understand your area's demand for taxi services. Ask yourself, are there enough passengers in your city or town? What are the peak hours? Who are your competitors, and what are their rates? You can even use apps like Uber or Lyft to see how busy drivers are in your area. This research will help you position your business for success. Step 3. Handle the legal stuff. Running a taxi business means you need to comply with local laws and regulations. Here's what you'll need: a business license, proper insurance for commercial use, a driver's license, and any special permits required in your area. Check with your local transportation authority to make sure you're fully covered. Trust me, you don't want to skip this step. Step 4. Choose your business model. With just one car, you have a few options. Go independent. Create your own brand, set your rates, and find customers directly. Partner with a rideshare platform like Uber or Lyft to get started quickly. Offer specialized services like airport transfers or corporate rides. Each option has its pros and cons, so pick the one that aligns with your goals. Step 5. Prepare your car. Your car is your office, so, make it professional and comfortable for passengers. Here's what you'll need: a clean, well-maintained vehicle, a phone mount for GPS navigation, air fresheners and charging ports for passengers, basic safety equipment like a first aid kit. A great experience can lead to repeat customers and positive reviews. Step 6. Market your business. Even with one car, you need to attract customers. Here's how. Create social media pages to promote your services. Offer discounts for first-time riders. Network with local businesses, hotels, and event planners. Ask for referrals and encourage reviews. Word of mouth is powerful, so focus on delivering excellent service. Step 7. Track your finances. To make your taxi business profitable, you need to keep an eye on your income and expenses. Track things like fuel costs, maintenance and repairs, insurance and licensing fees, your earnings. Use a simple spreadsheet or an app to stay organized. This will help you adjust your rates and maximize profits. And that's it! With just one car, you can start your own taxi business and grow it over time. Remember, consistency and great customer service are key. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss more tips like these. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Drive safe and stay profitable. No spoken lines.